Here's a great deal on a 2011 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, telescoping steering wheel, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.